Hello everyone, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com. We got ourselves a little reflective guy here. There's plastic on it. This is the Pocketbook Touch Lux 4. This is the all-new edition, you can see right here. Manufacture date 29th of October 2019. This is the one with something else inside. It says it's cover inside. It is very thick, the box, so we are going to see what is inside. And this is a Red Dot Award winner 2019. So that is for its design qualities and whatnot. We're just going to open this up for the first time here. Ooh. Get this all nice and opened. And it looks like we ran into a hurdle. I need some sort of knife to get that little seal off there. I actually didn't find a knife, but I found this on the floor, which is this little screwdriver handle looking thing, but it's just a pick on the one end. If it's a semi-blunt tip, I think they call it an awl, an AWL, but I'm not entirely sure what that's called. If you guys know, leave a comment down below. Anyways, here is the gold color of the device itself. We are going to leave this till the very end like we usually do to explore the rest of the box. Did they give you... They did. They give you a little zone to take this out. And I actually did turn this on by pressing the power button on the bottom. We will leave that till the end. What do we have in the box here? We have this little lift point that gets the little tray out. That is gone. And here is the case. Get that out. Oh, so we have ourselves a case here. I'm just going to see if I can slip this off nicely. I like to keep my retail packaging very nice, and when we do giveaways and stuff, we can we haven't done a giveaway in a while. We'll do a giveaway on something. We have a little silica gel pack, do not eat that, and it is just a snap case. You put the device in, snap it closed, and you have felt on one side and this kind of brushed aluminum look on the other side. It is not aluminum though, it's just this foam rubber kind of material. Exploring the depth of the box to remain is the guide for all the startup and everything, I'm assuming. Here we go. And inside we have the Quickstart guide. And please open, this should be the don't drop it and stuff like that, yeah. My life without a cover, my life with a cover. Go ahead and hold on to that if you guys lose that. Quick start guide, we always do a little bit of a glance over. Wow, we have 19 languages here, including Azerbaijani. And I'm not going to show every single page. I'm just going to show the English stuff. So there's the top, the device, bottom. That's basically it right there. So if you guys lose this, let us know. Actually, we do have user guides and stuff on our website, so if you guys want to see any of that, we do have that. And the final little silica gel packet with the USB, and it is a micro USB, very nicely wrapped up with a plastic holder there. Now for the device itself, here it is wrapped in this plastic. We are going to leave that on just for now. No, you know what? No, we're going to take it off because we got to review this, and it'll be very satisfactory to take this off. But it doesn't rip upwards. How do I get that off? Oh, it rips backwards. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Anyways. Oh, this thing is a very nice color scheme. The gold is not a rose gold. Kind of rose goldy. Kind of. It's coming off on camera just a little bit different than with your naked eye. It's got a lot of flake in it, so it really does depend your environment. It can look kind of brown like that, you can see, and then super beige, kind of silvery if you know, catch some light. It's got a lot of flake on it. Typically they do a dual color scheme here and here. This will be kind of like a black rubber grommet around the side, and the inside will be the color of the device, but this one is all gold. Very nice looking. Trans flash or SD card at the bottom, USB, power button. That's basically it. No physical patron buttons on the side. Everything is down below like that, so you'll just turn them like that. That is it for now. You guys are probably saying, why didn't you turn it on? Well, I will say for the 8,000th time, this is an unboxing video. We're going to unbox the device. We will show you a full review. Oh, that's a USB-C. That's the wrong one. I grabbed it down there. We will show you a full review coming up on a future video. But for now, this is the box, and everything that comes along with it. For goodyreader.com and an unboxing of the Touch Lux 4 by Pocketbook, all new, this is Peter.